guys, it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I at least wanted to get one of the robotic arm grabbers automated. So I'm just having some fun with it now, and then I'm going to call it a night. As you can see, the robotic grabber is grabbing a container. I'm using 2 AA batteries as a power source, external source, and I'm using a Raspberry Pi to control the stepper motors. How am I doing it? This quick action. If you see on my screen here, I'm using a GUI slider back and forth. As I go back and forth, it's controlling the motor, the stepper motor. And so that's it for now. Just a quick heads up, this is going to be the wrist action of this grabber. So this actually rotates, so if you can imagine the grabber right here, that it'll articulate in a 360-degree motion using this. But I'm going to call it quits right now because it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I need to get some shut-eye. But what I want to do is to have 2 robotic arms that can interact and grab something and move it around. That is part of my Lego sorting project here. So just going to have it on the side, and it just this will just be able to pick up objects and move them around. But alright guys, I'm going to call it quits, and I'll give you more updates of how further along I get with my project here. Alright, see you guys. Good night.